This is the best-selling Outdoor Revolution San Remo chair, a long-standing chair in the Outdoor Revolution range. It's made from a 600 Denier heavy-duty fabric, so really nice and robust. Importantly, the bungees down either side add an extra layer of comfort and support. It's really comfortable to sit on. You've got the adjustable headrest here for extra support, and the back is reclining to various positions also. Comes with a handy little side table and cup holder, as well as an option to put a footrest on the front, and the aluminium frame means it's nice and lightweight to transport around.